More than 200 million years ago, our planet looked nothing like the world we know today. The continents were still connected in a massive supercontinent called Pangaea, and volcanoes rumbled across the landscape. This was the early Jurassic period, a time when life was recovering from one of the greatest mass extinctions in Earth's history. The Jurassic climate helped life recover quickly. The planet became warm, humid, and rich with vegetation. Massive tectonic movements tore the land into pieces that would eventually become the continents we know today. Ancient ginkgo trees, with their distinctive fan-shaped leaves, spread across temperate regions. Insects flourished in the Jurassic forests. Dragonflies hunted above rivers. Beetles fed on ancient plants, while reptiles dominated the land. Ancient amphibians still survived in rivers and wetlands. One group, known as Prionocytus-like amphibians, could grow up to 7 meters long. The Jurassic oceans were home to terrifying predators. Among the most successful were the ichthyosaurs. Their enormous eyes, sometimes 25 centimeters across, allowed them to hunt in extremely deep water. While marine reptiles dominated the oceans, the skies belonged to pterosaurs. But the most famous animals of the Jurassic were, of course, dinosaurs. One of the most famous predators of the early Jurassic was Dilophosaurus. Fast, agile, and intelligent, Dilophosaurus was one of the top predators of its time. Another predator roaming North America was Coelophysis, a much smaller but incredibly efficient hunter. Unlike larger predators, Coelophysis likely hunted in groups, working together to surround prey. Small herbivores also thrived. One example is Lesothosaurus, a tiny dinosaur that lived in southern Africa. Another unusual dinosaur was Lanosaurus, which had both plant-eating teeth and sharp canine-like fangs. One example of the first giants is Unanosaurus, a herbivorous dinosaur discovered in what is now China. Toward the end of the early Jurassic, Earth's climate began to cool slightly. The early Jurassic was a world of transformation. Continents were drifting apart. Forests covered the land. And on the ground, dinosaurs were beginning their long journey toward dominance. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the lost world of the dinosaurs.